In this video, I will be showing you how to change your profile picture on Chatgpt. Let's get started. First, I open up my browser and type chatgpt.com into the address bar to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, I notice that the main sidebar panel is currently closed, so I move my cursor down to the bottom left corner where my profile name is displayed. I click on my profile section, which opens up the account options menu. From this list, I click on the profile option. This brings up an edit profile pop-up window in the middle of the screen, showing my current display name, username, and my current profile icon, which is a cartoon bear. To change this, I click directly on the circular profile picture. This opens up my computer's file explorer. I navigate to my downloads folder, look through my files, and click on an image of a cute kitten. After selecting it, I click the open button. Back in the edit profile window, the picture updates instantly, showing the new kitten photo inside the profile circle. Everything looks exactly how I want it, so I go ahead and click the save button at the bottom right of the pop-up to apply the changes. Now, with my new profile picture set, I want to make sure my account is working normally. I click on the main text box that says Ask Anything at the bottom of the screen. I begin typing out a message, asking, "Can you give me an update on popular streaming shows?" As I finish typing, Chatgpt automatically generates a few autocomplete options below. I move my mouse down and click on the first suggestion, which matches my exact query. The page updates, and the AI begins generating a comprehensive breakdown of the most talked about series, categorized by what's buzzing, dominant conversations, and growing trends. I scroll down the page to read through the response, and everything is working perfectly. That is how easy it is to update your profile picture and customize your Chatgpt experience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.